Man, it's been a while since I've actually been on here, so let's see if I still got it. Hey, welcome back, guys. And today I have another exciting plugin, and it's really clean, really amazing, and I think you guys are just gonna love it in general because I try to bring the best for you guys. And today I have the one true plugin that you need in any server, period. And no, I'm not talking about essentials. I'm talking about BattlePass, a practical solution to keep your players active by allowing them to gain experience and rewards for completing tasks. With weekly quests with a simple and clean GUI to use from 1.8 all the way to 1.14, different tiers of rewards and weekly challenges. You can have it preset up for the next 5 weeks if you want to, and seasons, etc. in the config, which it will automatically deploy new challenges each week for your players. That is super cool. I really enjoy it, and the GUI looks amazing. It really did give me a kind of a Fortnite vibe. Now, for those who actually hate Fortnite, it's alright, but you gotta admit, the way they have achievements and challenges and all those different tiers is truly amazing, and I really do like that form factor. And this plugin brings it into your game. To start it off, we'll be actually looking through the GUI. So we can do, to get in there, it's actually pretty simple. We can do /BP or BattlePass, and here it is. It's a pretty clean GUI. It's straightforward to everything you need. To the left, we have rewards. You can change the message in the config, which we'll get to later. We have Season 1 Battle Pass, free Battle Pass, Week 3, statistics, Tier 1, experience. So this is the amount of experience you have, and what tier you're on, and what week we're on as well. Of course, you can have it hooked up to a shop where they can pay to have the Battle Pass, which is really nice, and a way for your server to gain some money to stay up, and something for your players to actually do, which is really nice. And they can also get a free one, which I actually felt like this was necessary in the last update, but now it has it, and this is freaking amazing. So to the right, it has missions as well, and to the bottom, it just has what is the Battle Pass. Level up your Battle Pass by completing challenging missions, be an active player, and in return, receive amazing rewards. You can purchase the premium Battle Pass over at our store. So you can literally just go ahead and go over to the store, you can purchase it, and that will be set up. And after that, it will pretty much just run a command, so it will give the player a premium Battle Pass. I'll show you guys how to do that later. But if we take a look, as you can see in here, we have each one of them. Tier 1 unlocked. So this is where we're at, and we would get all of this stuff depending on what tier we are. So here we have Tier 2, and the rewards we would get as well. So Tier 2, Tier 4, Tier 5, Tier 7. And now if we go back, and here it does say how rewards work. Very informative information. God, I don't know why I left that. But heading over to the missions, as you can see in here, what we have is Week 1 released, Week 2, and Week 3. As you can see, I actually completed a task on Week 2 by accident. I was trying not to complete it so I could do it in video. But we can go ahead to Week 1 and see the challenges, which is really nice. Like I said, it's a very clean GUI, and I like it. So right here we have break 10 stone, say hello to the world, say hello world to complete the mission. So literally, all we have to do is say hello world. And there we go. It literally said complete mission. It appears in the chat. It appears on your screen. And it says a nice little chat. Welcoming. You said hello world in the chat. 1 out of 1. Great job. You've completed the welcoming challenge. You have received 100 experience. So that's freaking amazing. Let's go back into Battle Pass. As you can see here, now we have 200 out of 1,000. I actually want to try to get 1,000 to see how far we can get into it. For that, we just need to complete more challenges. So we complete this one. We can't really do it again. And we need to eat 5 God apples. We need to craft a diamond block. Oh god, these are a lot of work. Alright, let's do this. So as you can see in chat, every time I keep on mining, it has a certain point where it'll tell me how much I have. There we go. Completed that one. The miner challenge. I got another 100 experience for that. Let's go ahead and craft a diamond block. Just got to place that. And there we go. Completed the rich mission. So I got another 100 experience. But that's still not enough anymore. So let's see what else we can do here. You can also change the sound effects, so you can do whatever you want. Like I said, it's highly customizable. So I completed this mission. This mission, I need a god. Oh, this is so much. I love that the plugin keeps you going. That's something I really do like about plugins, that it just doesn't do one thing, but it keeps on doing a very similar repetitive thing that keeps you active. I don't know how to explain that too well, but it's a good way. Just trust me. All right, to make our lives easier, I have all of them in chest. So here we go. Open this one up. I got it. I got to eat 5 god apples. So let's go. 1. Okay, so it shows in chat. That's amazing. As you can see, it's a really nice feature. So we'll go 3 and 4 and 5. We have complete another mission. We're going to try to reach all the way to 1,000 mark for experience. So I want to check that out. So we need to enchant a iron sword. Let's go ahead and do this. and enchanted. There we go. We have another one completed. Sharpness 1, not bad, I guess. Place 10 gold blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. There we go. Oh, flexing. That's amazing. I love the titles of these, not gonna lie. Killed 3 zombies. So 1, 2, 3. Die, die. Everyone, die. I wonder if it consider I shouldn't have placed the alls at once. They might die from fire. There we go. I managed to do it. All right. Got another 100 experience for that. Let's go to the next one, which is milk 5 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just milk all of these. And there we go. Let's go ahead and place all these back in. Sheer 10, not 5, 10 sheeps. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nope, missing one. Here you are. And there we go. We completed the wool. What is it? The Wool Man Challenge. As you can see here, we are now on tier 2 because we have completed tier 1 completely and we're back to 0 experience, which is a nice little feature that keeps on leveling you up. And it's really nice. And I love this system. So as you can see here, we've gotten 30 iron, which is actually in our inventory already. I didn't even see that. It just came out of nowhere. So as you go completing tiers, you get more reward. And as you can see here, for the free battle pass, you only get certain rewards for certain levels. So you need to go all the way to level 4 to get another 30 iron or etc. You can change this, of course. And if you go on the bottom, this is if you purchase the battle pass. And as you can see, you can get tons. So the more you complete as you purchase it, the more resources and things you will get. So that's really, really nice, and I love that. It can go on. You can add as many as you want, but it stops at 18 for here for now. But it stops at 18 right here. And as you can see right here, I have completed 5 out of 7 on this one. It actually informs you, so you don't actually always have to go in the book. And here I completed another 5, so it is mental. I could go on and continue and go all the way to level 4, but you guys pretty much get the premise and how it works. It's super clean, and I love it. But you don't need to go in GUI to get to certain GUIs as well. What you could also do, I'm going to be using the short term, so I don't have to write it every single time, but you can do BP instead of Battle Pass, and you can do /missions, and that will, of course, open up the missions GUI. You can do /collect, but the thing is, you have no rewards to collect because you collected already. So that's not too much of an issue. But we're going to go to the other one, which is /rewards. And here you can see all the rewards. And yeah, those is how you get to the GUIs a lot faster without having to click it. But I actually don't mind going to GUIs itself. It's pretty simple. But say you're an admin instead and you want to give a friend or a very dedicated player some experience. You want to reset their experience because they've been doing things that they shouldn't, such as exploiting, or just set their tier or anything in general. You can do that because it does have a admin for it. So what you can do is BattlePass admin, and it will show you all the commands, but that's not necessary as I will be explaining them all to you. So what we can do is BattlePass give XP, and then you need to give the player. So I'm going to go for myself. I'm going to add 100. Well, let's just add 3,000 as that's the next tier. I need to get to tier 4. So I believe that's how much I need, or is it 2,000? It doesn't matter. I'm going to get it regardless. So click enter. I've gotten it. And as you can see, I got to tier 5. Never mind. I way overestimated. But say, for example, if you want to set their experience, I can go ahead and do set. Just remove the word give and put set, the name, and then I'm going to go ahead and set mine to 3,000. That is still overpowered. I'm getting way too many resources here. We could do a reset experience. So all you got to do is do reset XP and then the user. And there you go. Mine was reset. Quite simple like that. And the next one we could do is set the player type. So for example, we could set them as a free player or a premium player. And that regards if you have bought or not the battle pass. So for that, you could do set and then your username and then a type. So mine would be, well, I'm already free, so let's go for premium. I misspelled that, didn't I? I am terrible. Okay. There we go, premium. So since I bought the premium, I already get all the other rewards because I've already leveled up, so that means it automatically gives it. So even if you didn't buy it from the beginning, you would still have it afterwards. It's not something you have to force yourself to get. So I'm already on tier 8 and I got all the resources for tier 8, and it was really fast, very responsive. I like. You could set their tier if you want as well. Oh wow, I didn't even see this. I actually sent a nice little message in console. I'm pretty sure and 100% you can reconfigure this in a config, which you're going to check out. Console, me. thank you for purchasing the Battle Pass. That's really nice. I love plugins that get interactive like that. So we can do Battle Pass set tier, and then the username, and then the tier. So I can give myself like tier 15 already and just complete it like that. I believe the max is 18. Yeah. 19? 20? I don't know where the Battle Pass ends. It seems way too long. But yeah, it works amazing, as you can see right there. It's exactly what you need for your server and for your players not to feel so bland and the server to absolutely doing nothing. So you could also do more regarding it. So say if you're setting up the config, it comes in with a pre-built-in feature where you can do /BattlePass material, and then you can put in a block. So if you want to know material ID or anything like that, so what you could do is do Battle Pass material and then item or block. So you need to specify if you're holding a block or item. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a diamond block, place it in my inventory, and just go ahead and do block. Might be dense here, but there you go. Material found diamond:0. So you could put that in the config and it will give you the exact item. Say if you want to change anything in the GUI, which is pretty clean, helpful, and amazing. And it just works how it's supposed to. That's what I like about a plugin. I don't want any problems. I don't want to have to contact the developer for issues afterward. But yeah, as you can see, in-game, it's working amazing. What we're going to do now is we're going to go hop into config and we're going to change everything in there regarding items, tiers, and etc. So I'll see you guys in there. Okay, so here we have the folder. And as soon as we open it up, as you can see, we're going to be hit with quite a lot of config. But don't worry, don't be alarmed. This is perfectly normal. As we're going to go straight into the menu, and here you can change everything regarding the menus of, well, the GUIs basically. So you can change the title of it, the amount of rows, the sound it gives, so it would be an anvil, the item, so this one would be a player, and then slot 5, row 1, and here you can just change everything regarding it. So it's really simple like that. Like I said, it's not a difficult config at all, and it's going to be the same thing regarding all the other ones. So as you can see here, it's going to be the same thing, the title, missions, and all the other items regarding it. So you can change all of them as you wish. I'm not going to go for each one of them as it's not necessary. I don't recommend, however, deleting them as they are necessary for in the GUI. But of course, changing them is completely fine. And then heading over to the config. So for here, you can do the allies. So you can do Battle Pass, or you can do Battle P, or you can just do Battle Pass completely. But these are aliases, meaning you can use them in short terms instead of having to type out full out Battle Pass. And then this is the season, what year it starts, what month, what day, and the amount of weeks. So there's 8 weeks in total. So you can change this regarding when you want your seasons to start and everything. Amount of weeks, 8. Experience to tier up 1,000 database. So if you want to hook it up to a MySQL database and put it all around your servers, it works completely fine. Mission settings, cured missions, false, progress 25, 50, 75, and 100%. You can change all of it. It's regarding how many times you see the things in chat, and the title, so mission complete. And you can also use the placeholders the plugin gives you. So here are just a few settings that you can change. Data is not important. Language is where you can change all the messages regarding about every single thing in the plugin. So you can go from the walking mission, the damage mission. So every single thing you can change right here. It's very straightforward. It's nothing too complex, and you just change the what color code and everything you want. Missions are basically all the missions you will be doing. So you have 1, 2, you can add your own. And regarding the missions, you have the type. So you have different types of missions. So you can do a break type, you can do a chat type. There are tons of here, and you can take tons of inspiration to create your own as well. And then you have the name, the required progress, the experience worth, and then the item. So it'd be a stone pickaxe, :0. The name would be break 10 stone, and then the lore. So as you can see here, it says break 10, and then this would be hooking up to the progress. So you need to make sure it's here. It is 10 as well. And then the value is basically you're breaking 10 stone. So you have to make sure you connect every single thing together, as it is necessary for the plugin to work fully functional. And down here we have rewards. So for this one, it's a lot more simpler. You have all different types of tier rewards. So here we have the free category. So you can add as many as you want. So you can go, as we saw in the GUI, we have 2, 4, 5, 7 for every time we level up, and we get different tiers of rewards. So for the 2, we've got iron, and it would basically, this is the placeholder for it, and this is the command that would run to give you it. And the same thing goes for each one of these. So if we were to do something for the paid as well, so this is the premium rewards, it's the same thing all around. It's super simple and straightforward. Now, if you ever got confused, there is always a Wikipedia to help you out in what you need. So you have the BattlePass Wikipedia where it tells you about the commands, the missions, database setup, permissions, placeholders, which I really do recommend you check out the placeholders if you ever need it. So you have BattlePass tier, and it'll tell you the placeholder you can put in the chat and every single thing you need to know about BattlePass. I really recommend you guys check it out, as it can go way more in depth to how I'm doing it here. So there you go, guys. That was the whole plugin right there. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys have, make sure to smack that like button down below. If you guys wish to see more, of course, hop in my Discord. We'll have a chat. And other than that, I'm Diamond, and I will see you guys next time.